Welcome back to How to Literally, where we keep it simple, smart, and scam-free. Today we're breaking down Tradezella, Tradersync, and Tradovate to help you figure out which one is really worth your time. Tradezella is a trading journal platform designed to help you analyze your trades, improve strategy, and build discipline. It offers clean visuals, stats, and guided journaling, great for newer and intermediate traders. Tradersync is another powerful journaling tool with features like tagging, trade replay, and AI-based suggestions. It's more data-heavy and ideal if you want deep, granular insights into your trading patterns. Tradovate is different. It's an actual trading platform made for future traders. It offers commission-free options, fast execution, and advanced charting. But it's not a journaling tool. It's where you place trades. If you're focused on improving your trading performance, go with Tradezella for simplicity or Tradersync if you want deeper analysis. But if you're ready to execute trades, especially futures, then Tradovate is built for that. So whether you're tracking trades or placing them, each platform has its purpose. This is How to Literally, keeping it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.